Picture this: a man 65 years old, broke, sitting on a creaky old porch in Kentucky. Life has battered him, crushed his dreams, and left him with nothing but regrets. Most people would call it quits right there. But not this man, because what he's about to do next will change the world. This is the story of Harland Sanders, the man who turned failure into a global empire. The man who proved it's never too late to start over. And the man who built a legacy, one fried chicken recipe at a time. But let me ask you something. How do you think greatness is built? Is it by luck? By talent? No. Greatness is forged in the fires of failure. It's hammered by rejection, shaped by resilience, and powered by belief. This story isn't about fried chicken. It's about what happens when you refuse to give up. You see, most people think success comes easy to those who have it all figured out. But what if I told you Harland Sanders was rejected over 1,000 times before his first yes? That he spent nights sleeping in his car, pitching his dream to strangers? And that he didn't even start building his empire until he was 65. This isn't just a story, it's proof that no matter where you are in life, you can turn it all around. Let me show you how. 65 years old, broke, sitting on a porch in Kentucky with nothing but a lifetime of failure behind him. For most people, this is where the story ends. But for Harland Sanders, this was just the beginning. Harland's life was a storm of setbacks. His father died when he was 6, forcing him to grow up fast. By the time he was 12, he'd left school to work full-time. Over the years, he tried everything: farming, conducting streetcars, working on railroads, even practicing law. But nothing ever stuck. Life wasn't just hard on him, it seemed determined to break him. By the time he reached his 40s, Harland thought he'd finally found his footing. He opened a small roadside cafe at a gas station. It wasn't fancy, but it was his, and the food, people loved it. His fried chicken, seasoned with a special blend of 11 herbs and spices, became the talk of the town. For the first time, Harland thought, maybe this is it. Maybe I've made it. But life had other plans. A new highway was built, bypassing his cafe entirely. The customers disappeared, the bills piled up, and just like that, everything he'd built crumbled. Harland was left with nothing. Again, 65 years old, no savings, no plan. Most people would have given up. But Harland Sanders wasn't most people. As he sat there, holding that tiny social security check, he made a decision. He wasn't going to let this be the end of his story. He still had one thing left: his fried chicken recipe, and he believed in it with every fiber of his being. So he took a risk. Harland started driving across America, going door to door to restaurants. He'd walk in, pitch his chicken recipe, and offer them a deal. They could use his recipe, and he'd get a small cut for every piece they sold. It wasn't glamorous. He slept in his car, ate cheap meals, and faced rejection after rejection. He heard the word no more than 1,000 times. Think about that. 1,000 rejections. But Harland didn't quit, because deep down he knew it only takes one yes to change everything. And finally someone said yes. That one yes turned into another, and another. Harland's chicken recipe started spreading, first through word of mouth, then through franchises. By the time he was 75, Kentucky Fried Chicken wasn't just a restaurant, it was a movement. His face, with that iconic white suit and black string tie, became a global symbol of resilience and success. At an age when most people are retiring, Harland Sanders became a millionaire. But more than that, he became proof that it's never too late to rewrite your story. Proof that persistence beats rejection every single time. Harland Sanders didn't succeed because life was easy. He succeeded because he refused to quit. So the next time life knocks you down, remember this: you don't need the perfect plan. You don't need perfect timing. All you need is to believe in yourself, take that first step, and keep going. Because the only way to truly fail is to give up.